If you want to change language of your Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Pro, for sure you can do this. And there's two ways. The first one, when you set up this device for the first time, you are able to pick this language. But if you actually set it up, you actually cannot do this on the device. You will have to go into your phone settings. Then you will have to find language settings on your phone. So in my case, it will be available in System. Go into Languages, pick System Languages, and now you can add different languages. As you can see, in my case, I already have 4 of the languages. So I have to actually drag this line above the first language, click Change. And now in the most cases, the language will change. So let's find out. I will try to open settings. As you can see right now, I've got Polish language instead of English. So as you can see, that's how it actually works. But if you still have this issue and it's not working, then you will have to switch off your phone and switch off your band. And after this, when you turn them on back, the language will change.